Hey there, and welcome. First off, congratulations on finding DK Algo, your future trading companion. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience in trading, you're probably here because you want to trade smarter, reduce your risks, and maximize your results. DK Algo was built for traders like you, simplifying the trading process while giving you tools to achieve consistent success. Let's dive into how it works. Most traders are familiar with the standard approach. You set an entry price, a take-profit target, and maybe a stop loss. While this is fine, it can feel rigid and limiting. If the market moves against you, you either lose out when your stop loss triggers or get stuck holding a bad position, waiting for a miracle to turn things around. With DK Algo, there's a better way. Let me introduce you to safety orders. Safety orders are like your safety net for trading. Instead of relying on a single entry point, DK Algo automatically places additional buy or sell orders as the price moves, adjusting your average entry price. This means you're not just waiting for the market to come back to your original entry point. You're actively improving your position as the market fluctuates. And the best part? You're in complete control. DK Algo gives you the ability to configure several key settings for safety orders. You can set the size of your base order and safety orders to determine how much capital you want to allocate. You can define how far the market should move before placing your first safety order and customize the scale of subsequent orders to increase or adjust their size dynamically. You can also choose how many safety trades the system should place, giving you the flexibility to tailor it to different levels of market volatility. With these customizable options, DK Algo gives you full control over your risk and strategy. Now, let's address a common issue with automated strategies that use safety orders but lack a proper exit mechanism. In many cases, if the market doesn't move back up after a series of safety orders, these trades can remain open for an extended period, or worse, forever. This not only ties up your capital but also creates unnecessary risk. DK Algo solves this by incorporating a dynamic exit mechanism that adjusts to changing market conditions, ensuring trades are closed efficiently instead of dragging on indefinitely. This keeps your capital free and ready for the next opportunity, making your trading strategy much more effective and responsive. Of course, all of this sounds great, but you're probably wondering, does it actually work? That's where backtesting comes in. DK Algo integrates seamlessly with TradingView's backtesting tools, including deep backtesting. And what can I say? This allows you to analyze how your strategy performs across different timeframes and historical data. You'll get a clear picture of how your approach would have worked in the past, which helps you refine your settings and build confidence in your strategy. But that's not all. DK Algo goes a step further with full automation. It's not just a trading indicator, it's a powerful tool for automating your strategy. You can set up custom alerts that trigger specific actions based on your rules. Whether it's entering or exiting a trade, DK Algo can handle it for you, freeing you up to focus on the bigger picture. This level of automation is perfect for traders who want to remove emotion from their decisions or simply save time. So there you have it. DK Algo combines smart risk management, flexible safety orders, dynamic exits, deep backtesting, and full automation to make trading more efficient and profitable. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, click below to get started with DK Algo today. Your trading journey is about to get a whole lot better.